Welcome once again. Let's continue with our AI tutorial. What I'm using here is the Google, or not Google, but Microsoft Bing image creator. So we're using it to generate images. We are giving it some touch-ups to make them look to kind of get to where we get satisfied with the output. So what we have here now, the images I have here, if you watch my previous video, you're going to see that we generated these images using what we've got here. So what I wanted us to try again now, let's just try. So in case you didn't watch the previous video, so what we are trying are some features that you could use in this using this AI. Like we are using like the lighting and camera angles, for instance. So what we have here now are like the angles. So not angle, but the lighting. So we can also add like a camera angles, for instance. So let's say something like let's just add something like close up. Let's see what it's going to look like. So if you kind of think of the angles you could take when you are using a camera, you can also apply this here. So as you can see, we now have a close-up images of these houses. Also, other things we could try. Let us try something like let's say bird's eye view, and see what we are going to get. So these are adjectives or rather these are like the terms you use when you are using camera, so they are also applicable here. So remember what you see, so you remember what the images looked like earlier. So you can just keep changing these things until you get to what you want. So the final thing that we might want to try now, let us try something like let's try something like worms. Let's try this and see what it's going to look like. So this will be the final thing that we are going to test, but like I said, there are still a whole lot of different options. So look at what it looks like now. So we could just say something like a foggy, I don't know. Let's see what it's going to look like. So this will depend on what kind of image you are trying to create. If you're trying to create image of a city, or image of a village, image of a forest, for instance. So these are going to determine what you are trying to, the output you are going to get. So you see what it looks like now. So this is really a very powerful AI to use. So you can use it to achieve a lot. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to to share. Another thing I forgot to add is that if you are satisfied with any of these images, you can just click on it and click on download. So that's what you got. Thank you.